The majority of Apple's iPhone 15 design changes have already leaked, but the company still had one surprise up its sleeve, revealing that the phone will come in 3 new colors. The new colors are italicized, and it is important to note that light yellow is distinct from the current strong yellow finish on the iPhone 14 lineup. If the leak is accurate, it would mean that Apple is dropping yellow, blue, and the deeper purple finishes this year. The only way to know for sure is to try it yourself. The picks here are also notable since an industry report from March suggested that blue and purple were the most popular color options for customers of the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus. Apple typically changes 1 or 2 colors each year, but seldom 3. On the other hand, rumors of a bubble gum pink finish and pink being the most popular iPhone color have been around for years. Although the story was first leaked in March, it also said a new, brighter blue color will be unveiled. Similar rumors about the finishes of the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models have surfaced, with contradicting claims that Apple would introduce a new hero color in either deep blue or dark red. The cost of the new iPhone 15 range is also unknown. According to reports, pricing for Pro models might rise by as much as $200. While a new titanium chassis may play a role, the main improvements for both models, a 3nm A17 processor with enhanced UP and a solid-state action button that takes the place of the mute switch in the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models, are more clear. All iPhone 15 models will switch from Lightning to USB-C, according to expectations. Interestingly, my sources disagreed on the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max's hero color, with support for both the dark red finish and the iPhone 14 Pro's A16 chip. It's been a while since I've seen you, but I'm glad you're here. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.